Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Here is biochemist Rimat Ali Memun and you are watching ASH Biochemist Coaching Center. In this class we will discuss about the peptides. If you are watching first time my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe and press on the bell icon for the new updates. So let's start. Peptides. Peptides are the polymers of the amino acids or a compound which gives the amino acids on the hydrolysis are called peptides. This is a polypeptide chain. On the hydrolysis, it will convert into the tripeptide. Tripeptide will convert into the dipeptide, and dipeptide will break down into the amino acids which are the actual unit of the peptides. A peptide is a molecule consisting of two or more amino acids linked together by the peptide bond. And you know, in an amino acid, two different functional groups are present. First one is amino group and second one is carboxylic acid group. And this is a carboxylic acid and this is a amino group. When carboxylic acid of first amino acid and amino group of second amino acid react with each other or interact with each other, they form a peptide bond. During the formation of peptide bond from these two amino acids, a water molecule is eliminated. In a resultant of removing of water molecule, a peptide bond is formed which hold together the two amino acids, and this peptide bond is a very strong which strongly attached to amino acid with each other. It means on the reaction of amino group and carboxylic acid group of different amino acid, not same amino acids, by the elimination of water molecule, the new bond is formed which is known as peptide bond, that is covalent in nature, and the forming compound is said to be the peptide. The types of peptides on the basis of presence of amino acid. Here is a dipeptide. When two amino acids are joined together, they form a dipeptide. Here two amino acids are present, first and second. When these two amino acids join together, they form a dipeptide. When three amino acids are joined together, they form a tripeptide. First, second, third. When these three amino acids join together by the help of peptide bond, they form a tripeptide. When four amino acids are joined together, they form a tetrapeptide linkage or tetrapeptide chain. When 5 amino acid, pentapeptide, 6 amino acid, hexapeptide, 7 amino acid, heptapeptide, 8 amino acid, octapeptide, 9 amino acid, nanopeptide, 10 amino acid, decapeptide. Between 10 to 20 amino acids are known as oligopeptide, and more than 20 amino acid a chain is known as polypeptide. If you have given a number of amino acids and you will have to find the number of peptide bond in a long chain of amino acids, then how you will find the number of peptides bond in a polypeptide chain? There is a formula for the counting of peptide bond, and that formula is number of peptide bond is equal to number of amino acids in a peptide minus 1. It means first of all you count the number of amino acids which are given you. After the counting you minus the 1. When you minus the 1 remaining result, the number which are remaining, that is your the number of bonds, peptide bond in a long chain of amino acids. In this chain, three amino acids are present. When we minus the or subtract the one, as a resultant, two are remaining. So in a chain, two peptide bonds are present. This is called the peptide bond. It means how you can find the number of peptide bond in a long chain of amino acid. This is a simple way to find the number of peptide bond. So dear student, this was about the peptides, and in next lecture we will discuss about the nomenclature of peptides. Khuda Hafiz, wassalam.